就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。我们到一个新的地方啦，或一个新的夜市啦，然后要找吃的啦，要找附近有没有吃的啦。
对啊。
You know, I love to eat, and whenever I go to an area, a new area especially, I want to ask, what's famous around here? I want to go have it. I want to try. I want to eat more, okay? So we're going to put you in this situation today. But first, how do you say nearby? 也就是附近。
附近。
附近 Okay, that means nearby, 附近。那我们现在来教几句话咯。附近有什么好吃的 What is delicious nearby?
附近有乜嘅好食嘅？
附近有乜嘅好食嘅？好了，附近有什么好吃的啦？
你先去找，赶快去找。
我去找。有臭豆腐。好，闻到臭豆腐。
不用你闻，我就闻到那边有一个臭臭的臭豆腐。
对啊，香香的臭豆腐啊，是不是因为那家很有名？
应该是哈，那么多人排队，那就去买吧。
好，其实有一家很有名的臭豆腐就在这里嘛。There's a very famous stinky tofu place here.
有一間當有名嘅臭豆腐。
有一間當有名嘅臭豆腐。臭豆腐就臭豆腐嘛。Hey, remember that term because everyone wants you to try stinky tofu when you visit Taiwan. And in Mandarin, it's 臭豆腐. In Hakka, it's 臭豆腐。
可是臭豆腐要越臭越好吃。
Yeah.
越臭越香。
真的啦，很多国际名产都是这样子 ，cheese 也是如此啊，对不对？
对。
Yeah, the stinkier, the better. All right. 那是
你最爱的，
你最爱的，
对啊，赶快带我去吧！
我想那是我最爱的，也是我最爱的，
真的
赶快带我去。I really love stinky tofu, so I love this the most. Please bring me there immediately.
嘅係愛親愛嘅呢，
嘅係愛親愛嘅呢，
夾帶愛去，
夾帶愛去，
夾
就快一點。夾 means actually hurry up. 帶愛去 that means to bring me there. Yeah, take me there. Hurry up. It's the one that I love the most. All right. 真的咕噜咕噜了啦。我们录个音这样子这么饿，这样不行。赶快来蕊一下，我就要去吃了。OK， 好吃的 delicious，
好食嘅，
好食嘅 ，and then 臭豆腐 stinky tofu，
臭豆腐，
臭豆腐 ，and finally hurry up and bring me there， 赶快带我去。
夾帶愛去，
夾帶愛去 ，and it's all about something that's nearby. So 附近怎麼說？
附近。
附近 Now you know. And let's hurry up and go eat, okay?
Okay.
All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.